Hey guys, today I'm making coconut Thai chicken, and if you have not tried this recipe from the Trim Healthy Mama cookbook, it's worth a try if you like Thai food. It's on page 45. So here I put my chicken thighs in a pot, and this is an S meal, and I already prepared my mix. So this is like peanut flour and all the spices that it calls for. So I'm just putting this in my Instant Pot. You can also do this in a slow cooker if you want. I'm also going to add the optional Trim Healthy Mama noodles, which if you have not tried these, the new ones are really good. So if you tried them when they first came out, they reformulated them and added oat fiber, and they are actually quite delicious. So I'm just going to go ahead and add those in. And then we're going to add, I didn't have any seasoning blend, so I just quick chopped up an onion and some celery. I'm going to dump that into the pot. And then last, I got this vegetable blend from Costco, so I'm going to add that with some crushed red pepper flakes. So I'll just add in those flakes real quick. Just enough to your liking. My family, some of us like spicy and some of us don't, so I kind of have to cater to everyone. Okay, so I added the veggies. I didn't have enough hands, so I did that. And now I'm just going to throw this in the Instant Pot and cook it for about 30 minutes. And then my Instant Pot will keep it warm until I'm ready to serve it. And if you don't have an Instant Pot, you can just throw it in the slow cooker, and it works great for something to cook all day long and have ready when you get home. And for my family, I cook a side dish of rice, and so my kids and anyone who's eating a crossover can enjoy a big bowl of rice and then put the coconut Thai chicken on top, and it's awesome. And I'll just eat it by itself, or you can add cauliflower rice noodles. It's delicious either way.